Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, 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 oh. Feel with the emotion. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Little sweet spice. Yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. Feel the emotion.
This video is sponsored by JLCPCB. They provide the most valuable prices for the PCB prototyping. They are one of the most popular and trusted brand in PCB manufacturing. They provide very high quality PCB with very fast production time and shipping service. You can get 5 PCB of 10 by 10 cm of any color in just $2. You can use this PCB for prototyping and as well as in your DIY project. Now they also have SMT assembly service as well, meaning you can get the PCB with all components already mounted and it starts from $7. The ordering of PCB is very simple. Just go to JLCPCB.com, click on quote now, then upload the cover file of your PCB, select the PCB settings and order your PCB of any color in just $2. Make sure to go their website.